Hey there, friends. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can customize your Telegram profile, such as your name and username, as well as profile picture, to make it easier for people to find you on the app. So let's go ahead and get started. I have my Telegram application open here, and I'm going to go open the sidebar at the top left. So doing so will open this small window, and you can click on your profile right here. So here you can see the small pencil icon, and this is how you're going to be able to edit. So you can change stuff like your bio. I usually keep my bio blank because I only really use this platform for talking with people I already know. You can change your display name. Here I only have it set to my nickname, so there's a level of privacy that I like to maintain. I'll click on save. You can also change your phone number and your username. Your username is something that is pretty important because it's how other people can find you on the platform when they want to search for other users. So I have a username that I have across my social media platforms that I also use on Telegram. So if somebody knows me from another platform, it's really easy to find me. Then here at the top, you can click on the small camera icon to change your profile picture. And here you can use an emoji, take a picture with your camera, or upload a file. You can also change stuff like your personal channel and your name color, which is a new feature. So let's go ahead and change that. And let's say I want to change this to a gray. That way it matches my black and white picture. There we go. And I'll click on apply style. So it seems this particular feature is only accessible to people with Telegram Premium, which is a bit of a bummer. It would be nice to be able to change that for free. But anyway, so that's how you can change many aspects of your Telegram profile. I hope I was able to teach you something new and useful. As always, thank you for watching.